Mickey Mouse Clubhouse. Come inside, it's fun inside.
Oh boy!
And here's my living room. Let's go upstairs to see my surprise. Here are my extremely obnoxious going to check this out. Let's go on an adventure. Oh my gosh. Ah, poop. It broke. As I was saying, here are my 2 ex-wives under the bed. Help us! I want some bacon with cheddar cheese. Shaq, I thought we were friends. We need to turn off the camera, kids. Bye. Ah!
Oh yeah.
It's the Mickey Mouse Clubhouse. Come inside, it's fun inside. Oh boy!
Continuing from next episode.
Shaq, what are you doing?
I'm rescuing these beautiful ladies.
Thank you, Shaq! Woohoo! Oh, Shaq, thank you. Can you get us some bacon?
No. Why should I get you bacon? I just came here to save you. Gosh. Expect me to do everything.
Bye. Hey, my ride's here. Yay! In your face, Shaq. Bye, Shaq.
Donut, 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 donut.
Bye, Mickey Mouse Clubhouse forever! Oopsie daisies. I can never seem to put on my seatbelt.